Hey guys, Justin here with J Hart Model Works. It's the day after day 3. They wrapped up, I want to say around 7:30 last night. So it is surprisingly a lot better than I expected it was going to be. And all in all, everything looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and get the camera flipped around and we'll take a look at how the foundation repair went. So, might as well check the garage. So they did cut the sidewalk. They have extended our gutters. So our gutters used to just empty out, and now they run through a set of pipes and come out these little pop-ups. So when the pipe gets full, that top's going to pop up and drain the water out. All that excess dirt that came under the house, they've put around the house to raise the elevation. So that's going to help with drainage. In this area alone, the front right in here looked like a koi pond. It just held so much water when it rained. So that's what I'm talking about with the little gutter goes down into those little pipes. And then there's this one goes straight out over to here. So yeah, all in all, this looks a lot better than it did. Got the back through here. So our back door is actually straight. This gap over here was easily a good 10 millimeters on one side and like 3 on the other. It was pretty jacked up. But yeah, it is significantly cleaner than I expected it to be. I have a couple of patches in the hallway, our living room, which I'm not terribly upset about the state of the carpeting. To be honest, the original plan was to pull all the carpeting out and put wood flooring in to begin with. So that was all going to have to go eventually, as was this. A couple in the kitchen. I expected this all to be, still pretty dirty, and no, they covered everything up. They covered the walls. They covered all the furniture. Now this does kind of make me sad because we just put this flooring in, but we knew it was going to happen. We'll have to wait 3 months is what they said. Before, they said we have to wait about 3 months before we can actually get anybody to come in and do repairs to just to give everything time to really fully cure up and to make sure that we're not going to see any kind of issues. So yeah, that is all right. So yeah, that is a wrap on the foundation repair. Like I said, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to be, especially seeing how it was after day 2. I thought it was going to be pretty pretty bad. While I was in the hotel, I did finish up the Ferrari 360, so that is done. I need to shoot a video on a final on that. I also need to shoot a video on something else that I built. That's going to be a small build video. Fun little project. You'll see that when that comes out. And you'll know because the desk is much different from where I work at. I also need to edit up the video for the gallery airbrush, which did really well. I've used it to spray an entire kit. The second project, the little side project that I did. It's done, for a $70 brush, it's done pretty well. So that's going to wrap everything up. Thanks for hanging out with me and for watching the ordeal of the foundation repair. And I will catch you guys probably in a couple of weeks when I can get some time to sit down and start editing, because it's going to be kind of crazy for a little while trying to get everything moved back into position and sorted up and set up. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.